Edward from the story The Prince and Pauper by Mark Twain. This story tells of two boys from opposite worlds. Edward Tudor, a prince who was raised in luxury, and Tom Canty, a poor boy facing hardship. By a twist of fate, they meet and decide to trade places, allowing each other to experience others' life. When Tom becomes prince, he learns the weight of responsibility that comes with power. Being royalty isn't just about wealth; it's about duty, pressure, and expectation to lead. Meanwhile, Prince Edward, disguised as Tom, sees of harsh realities